Hey guys, it's Jason over at Kaiser Willys Auto Supply. And today I want to discuss what is the first thing that you should purchase when you start to do your build on your new vehicle. Here I have the service manual. This particular manual we have for the civilian models. It's going to cover the CJ2A, it's going to cover the CJ3A, the CJ5, and so forth. It covers both the L and the F head. It also covers the transmission, transfer case, front axle, rear axle, steering, brakes. It's going to cover most of your large category parts. So what this manual does is it gives you an idea of how to disassemble, reassemble. It'll have torque specs. It'll have what you need to do for fluid, changing the fluid. It's going to have all of those things that are really important to know when you're doing your build. No matter how much you think you know about this vehicle, this is going to tell you more than you already know. The next manual is going to be the Master Parts List Manual. This is a really good manual for diagrams. It's going to break things down bolt by bolt. It's going to give you sizes of bolts. It's going to break everything down into a blow up diagram. You can find these diagrams on our website for the most part, but it does cover a lot more. These are going to be the two things that I highly recommend before you start on your vehicle. And it's going to really help as you go step by step through your build. I hope this helps. Thanks for watching.